Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Queendashe, also known as Kiana, and in this video we have me just putting up the Christmas tree. I know it's a little late, but better late than never. And I am just going to be cleaning up downstairs. It really wasn't too bad, but I wanted to quickly clean up and definitely get this Christmas tree up. So we're not really sure if we want to go ahead and buy ornaments for this Christmas tree. We have lights, and I just like the lights on there without all of the ornaments and all of that. Ornaments usually have glitter, and I am not a fan of glitter at all. So we're kind of just thinking about just going ahead and just doing just the lights. I don't know yet. If we do get ornaments, it's probably going to be later on. But for now, the lights look fine.
Space, right into space. I'm not the kind of person who is sentimental, but this thing is making me soft, giving into my damn heart. It feels like I am losing my grip, going crazy, 'cause this doesn't make any sense. You're broken down all my defenses. No way back to the old me. When I'm stuck here on planet X, I've become the person I've hated. Wonder what will happen next. Yeah, I don't know why. It's like a charge around us that just feels right. Can't get my head around it. I can never hit the brakes. Every time you touch me, babe, you send me right out into space. You send me right out into space. Right into space. My head tells me to stop, but there is nothing I can do. No. When I'm with you, I lose myself. I feel good. Oh, yeah, I don't know why. It's like a charge around us that just feels right. Can't get my head around it. I can never hit the brakes. Every time you touch me, babe, you send me right out into space. You send me right out into space. Right into space. Yeah, I don't know why. It's like a charge around us that just feels right. Can't get my head around it. I can never hit the brakes. Every time you touch me, babe, into space. Maybe I was confused, or did you feel it too? In that room, it suddenly just felt like it was me and you. 'Cause I forgot about your friend. What's his name again? I really can't recall a single thing of what he said to me. It was just like waking up from a fever dream. When I found out that you have someone else and that she knows about me. What a waste on such chemistry. But if we could fuck the rules, you would be with me. If I'm not supposed to think about you like this, the universe is a bitch.
And I am just going to go around the downstairs and clean up these plates from dinner and just kind of fix everything up and get all this trash and stuff like that.
In your city, wasting time, oh God, I wish you knew. I hate being in between. I wanna make a scene, still hoping for you and me, wondering what could have been. It was just like waking up from a fever dream. When I found out that you have someone else and that she knows about me. What a waste on such chemistry. But if we could fuck the rules, you
actually looks worse than it actually is. We had made dinner and stuff like that, so I still had to clean up from dinner. So the kitchen wasn't that bad. It just looked like that because we had made dinner. So I'm going to clean up these dishes, put dinner away, and wipe everything down.
I can't explain. You're miles away, still I know what you're thinking of. The universe is a bitch. Losing it, I'm going crazy. Trying my best just to stay awake. Losing it, I'm going crazy. This feeling is driving me half insane. If I'm not supposed to think about you like this, the universe is a bitch. If I'm not supposed to think about you like this, the universe is a bitch. Universe is a bitch. 'Cause every single thought leaves your name on my lips. Universe is a bitch. Universe is a bitch. You know I don't believe in shit like fate, but lately things have happened that I can't explain. You're miles away, still I know what you're thinking of. The universe is a bitch. Maybe I was confused, or did you feel it too? In that room, it suddenly just felt like it was me and you. 'Cause I forgot about your friend. What's his name again? I really can't recall a single thing of what he said to me. It was just like waking up from a fever dream. But now I found out that you have someone else and that she knows about me. What a waste on such chemistry. But if we could the rules, you would be with me. If I'm not supposed to think about you like this, the universe, universe, 'cause every single thought leaves your name on my lips. Universe, universe, wish I could cut myself loose, but I hold on to you. Now I'm in your city, wasting time. Oh God, I wish you knew. I hate being in between. I wanna make a scene, still hoping for you and me, wondering what could have been. It was just like waking up from a fever dream. But now I found out that you have someone else and that she knows about me. What a waste on such chemistry. But if we could fuck the rules, you would be with me. If I'm not supposed to think about you like this, the universe, universe, 'cause every single thought leaves your name on my lips. Universe, universe, you know I don't believe in shit like fate, but lately things have happened that I can't explain. You're miles away, still I know what you're thinking of. The universe, losing it, I'm going crazy. Trying my best just to stay awake. Losing it, I'm going crazy. This feeling is driving me half insane. If I'm not supposed to think about you like this, the universe, if I'm not supposed to think about you like this, the universe, universe, 'cause every single thought leaves your name on my lips. Universe, universe, you know I don't believe in shit like fate, but lately things have happened that I can't explain. You're miles away, still
We still haven't figured out what we wanted to do about vacuuming this carpet. It's like a shaggy rug, so it's a little bit harder to vacuum. And I really am just thinking about getting a new vacuum. So I don't know. Me and my husband had a couple talks about it, but we are both very indecisive about what we want to do. So, yeah. And now I am just going to sanitize down my couch. Yeah.
We both know what we want. Let's just keep it simple. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. We dance on the same wavelength. This feels like a new beginning. We both know what we want. Let's just keep it simple. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So won't you let me trip, trip, trip with you? Leaning on follow, leave us till tomorrow. So won't you let me trip, trip, trip with you? Leaning on follow, leave us till tomorrow.
All I'm doing here is going to just pick up my room a little bit. It really wasn't bad, but I wanted to just pick it up and fix my bed and end my night off that way. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys got some amazing motivation out of it. And I will see you guys in the next one. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Tonight, like a Wednesday dream.